Hi kids! Welcome to our class. By the way, I'm Teacher Frel Hafalia, your class advisor. Our lesson for today is about classifying and categorizing the sound you heard. We can hear a lot of sound from the animals, from the objects, from mechanicals, from the musical instruments, from our environment, and a lot more. This lesson will help you learn to classify, categorize sounds heard. Animals, mechanicals, objects, musical instruments, environment, speech. There are different classification of sound. This sound produced from the group of animals, mechanicals, objects, environment, musical instruments. There are different kinds of sound around us. Let's classify them. This group of animals are wild animals. We can hear sound from them. Which animal produces this sound? Right, it's an elephant. Which animal produces this sound? Right, it's a frog. Which animal produces this sound? Right, it's a lion. Which animal produces this sound? Right, it's a monkey. Another group of animals are farm animals. Which animal produces this sound? Arf, arf. Right, it's a dog. Which animal produces this sound? Oink, oink. Right, it's a pig. Which animal produces this sound? Quack, 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 quack. Right, it's a duck. Which animal produces this sound? Meow, meow, meow. Right, it's a cat. Which animal produces this sound? Moo, moo. Right, it's a cow. Which animal produces this sound? Ba, ba. Right, it's a sheep. Which animal produces this sound? Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Right, it's a bird. This group of transportation can also produce sound, like helicopter, airplane, ambulance, fire truck, and police car. Question: which vehicle produces this sound? Right, it's an ambulance. Which vehicle produces this sound? Right, it's an helicopter. Which vehicle produces this sound? Right, it's an airplane. This group of objects can produce sound like telephone, radio, television, megaphone, sewing machine, and alarm clock. Question: which object produces this sound? Right, it's a telephone. Which object produces this sound? Right, it's alarm clock. Another group of sound is from the musical instruments like tambourine, piano, guitar, drum, xylophone, and maracas. Another group of sound is from our environment. These are natural sound or God-made sound like thunder, rain, and ocean. Now, let's categorize the sound. There are two kinds of sound. the soft sound, and the loud sound. These things produces loud sound like thunder, drum, helicopter, ambulance, alarm clock, megaphone. These things produces soft sound like bird, buzzing bee, praying, mother singing lullaby, and whispering. Now, let's have some activities. Get your notebook and keep pause this video so that you may able to answer these questions. Identify whether the group of animals, objects, vehicle, musical instruments, and environment sounds make loud or soft sound. Write your answer in your notebook. Write A if the sound is made by an animal and B if the sound is made by a thing. Write your answer in your notebook. Remember kids, different animals produces different sound. Different objects produces different sound. Different instruments or musical instruments produces different sounds. Different vehicle produces different sounds. All of them can produce loud or soft sound. Kids, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Continue to keep on learning. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids!